Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is our monthly IPSY unboxing. Okay, so I do these once a month. I will have the links down below in the description box. Almost everything that I'm wearing today did come in this month's box. Now I have obviously already opened it because I have to do the intro after I record everything. So here is what come in the box. And I did already go ahead and throw away some of the other boxes, but we've got some pretty cool stuff in this month's box that I was pretty impressed with. And if you're interested in seeing this video, keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and let's get into it. First, let's talk about the McFadden MD. This is a face wash, and it's called Push Start. So it comes out clear. The scent is, it's very subtle. It's more like a medicine-y scent, if that makes sense. There's no fragrance. I didn't notice a fragrance at all, which I guess would be a good thing whenever it comes to skincare, right? That means there's less dyes and stuff like that in it. So it washed really good. It foamed up really nicely, which you saw on the little clip. But so I'm going to continue to use it as long as it doesn't break me out, which normally face washes and cleansers, usually those are okay. It's normally the creamy products like the lotions and stuff like that that really break me out. And so I have high hopes for this. So this is going straight into my shower. I was super excited whenever I seen that I was getting the LMS Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. I love LMS, and I have been loving LMS for several years at this point. Whenever I do see them come available on IPSY, I do go ahead and snatch them up as fast as I can. I really like their superfood line. It's really good. Right now I have I think it's a mask. It's called a creamy mask or something like that. But then the superfood face wash is really good. I've had it before. I've had it a couple of times, but this one is this is the first time using this. I should have taken a before picture because it is actually crazy. I can definitely still see my, the beginning stages of crow's feet. But this under part right here, it just seems so smooth. But after you let it dry, it really firms up and tightens up, which is what this is for. This is for wrinkle prevention type situation for your eyes. And if this goes as well as I think it's going to go, I'm definitely going to have to purchase this in the full size. Let's get on with the rest of the products so that I can finish my makeup so I can get on with my day. This is the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks. I have never tried anything from Fenty, and this is one that I picked out for myself, and it is in the color Sway. That might actually look a little dark, but we're gonna give it a go. I do have my mirror here. Okay. And I have my little sponge here already. So maybe I need to get a brush, not a sponge. I'll be right back. Okay, I went and grabbed a brush. I don't normally use contour. I don't normally use contour at all. So using a stick is going to be super scary, but I'm just going to dab it on just because I'm scared that it's gonna ruin my makeup super easy. Let's see. Okay, I can press a little harder than that, I guess. Okay, so here we go. I don't even know if I'm using the correct brush at all. take some up here. I guess I could have brought y'all in a little closer, huh? Okay. Okay, so it seems to be blending out nicely. I think if I were to have gone in with just the stick itself, it probably would have been too much for me just because I'm so fair-skinned. So I so I think using the brush is a better go. It's a better way of doing it for me personally. Okay, so I think that the color is okay. It probably could have been a little more cool tone. It does look a little muddy on my face, but then again, I'm not used to using this product at all, like even the style of product. So that could have something to do with it, and I have no clue what I'm doing. There we go. Contour's done. Okay, so it seems to blend out pretty easily. Again, I'm glad I used the brush and not the stick itself, because I think that the stick would have just been too much, because it is kind of a darker color. And yes, I did pick it. That was the lightest shade that they had. But I do think that it probably pulls a little too warm tone for me, and I think I need something a little more cool tone and not so like clay. That's what that looks like. It looks like a clay road or something. Anyways, okay, so moving on to the next product, which is the Tattoo Pencil Liner from KVD, formerly known as Kat Von D, in the shade Dark Purple. Again, I picked this out because I thought it would be super fun to do. And I think it was the best choice out of all of the other choices. So here is the color. Let's do a little very dark. That's a crazy looking lawn. That is very dark. So I think I have a black in this. So let me scoot up. I can't bring you any closer because of my stand. So there we go. And now I'm not doing anything on the upper lid just because I'm not good at that at all. So I'm just gonna keep this in the waterline and try to keep it so you can see me as best possible. Okay, so that's fun. I don't know what made me choose a purple eyeliner. I probably will never wear this. But it went on really nicely, and it does make it just a little different than your normal traditional black liner. But it kind of like, it almost comes off as a blue. So that's fun. I'm gonna go ahead and, actually no, I'm not. I was gonna say I was gonna go ahead and put my mascara on, but we have another eye product, which is the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Eyeshadow Stick. Okay, that's very shiny, kind of goldish, bronzy looking. So I did do a little bit of eyeshadow already, just a little bit in the crease and under the waterline. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of align with this. This is gonna go so well with the purple, isn't it? Here, let me just take it all over the lid. How about that? All right, so I am actually gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara and I'll be right back. And there we have it. All the makeup is completed. Okay, so overall, I really like everything in this month's box. And I have to say, not necessarily all of the colors work together. Like, I don't think that this shadow stick and the purple eyeliner go very well together. Let me move this out of the way. But like, I like the actual product, like itself. Like, the eyeliner went on really easily. This went on super easily. I'm interested to see how it's going to, like, if it's gonna crease. So right now it's not creasing at all. Now I do have hooded eyes, so there is that, it could crease, but I do love the flecks of pink when the light hits it. I think it's just so pretty. I'm gonna have to have a play around with the contour stick. I'm really not sure about it. So, I don't know, like, what do you think? Do you think it's just the wrong shade, or I didn't do it right? I don't ever use contour, and I really never use liquid or the stick or cream or whatever. I don't use this kind. And so I'm just gonna have to have a play around with it. It's like, I don't hate it, but I just don't use it enough to be familiar with it, if that makes any sense. And then the skincare that come in, these, I love both of these brands. I'm really excited to have both of them. This is gonna go straight in my shower, and then this is going straight in my little medicine cabinet thing that's hanging on the wall. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm continuing to grow, and thank you guys so much for being here. And if you have any questions about anything, do not hesitate to put them in the comment box, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. And that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.